हेलो बच्चों, हम पढ़ेंगे आज मैटर्स। मैटर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। मैटर इज एनीथिंग विच हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस। फॉर एग्जांपल बुक, पेन, पेंसिल, वाटर, एयर और लिविंग beings. It is are composed of matter. Next, energy. Energy is defined as the capacity of doing work. Anything which has the capacity to push matter from one place to another possesses energy. There are various forms of energy such as heat, light, etc. Energy is neither created nor destroyed but can only be transformed from one form of energy to another. The relationship between mass and energy was given by Einstein. The famous relation is E mc square, where E equal to energy है, m equal to mass and c velocity of light. Classification of matter. Matter matter classified into two groups: physical state and chemical state. Physical state, solid, liquid, gases, or chemical state, pure state and mixture. Pure state is again divided into two parts: elements and compounds, or mixture again divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous. अब देखेंगे सॉलिड स्टेट्स। In solid state में substances are rigid, they have definite shape and fixed volume. There is negligible effect of change in pressure and temperature on their volumes. The individual particles that make up a solid occupy definite position in the structure and are very near to one another. This form of matter is associated with minimum amount of energy. Liquid state. In liquid state, In liquid state, substances have no definite shape but possess a fixed volume. There is a slight effect of pressure and temperature on their volume. They have property of following particles. Flowing particles are nearer to one another than in gas. This form of matter is associated with energy more than solids. Gaseous state. In gaseous state, the substances have neither definite shape nor definite volume. Gases fill completely any vessel in which they are defined and thus occupy whole space available to them. There is a large effect of pressure and temperature on their volumes. The particles are far apart from one another and volume with very high speeds in all possible directions. This form of matter is associated with maximum amount of energy. Chemical classification. Chemical classification में pure pure substance, a material containing only one substance, is called a pure substance. An element is divided a pure substance that contains only one kind of particle. These particles may be atoms or molecules. Elements are further subdivided into three classes: metals and nonmetals and metallites. Compounds are pure substances containing more than one kind of element atoms. Compounds are divided into two groups: inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Mixtures. A mixture consists of particles of one or more substances present in any ratio. Mixture is further subdivided into heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be homogeneous if its composition is uniform throughout. Examples: air is homogeneous mixture of a number of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, ozone. Petrol, diesel, oil, kerosene, oil, etc. are homogeneous mixture of a number of liquid hydrocarbons. Alloys such as brass, bronze, etc. are homogeneous mixture of salt. Salt अथवा sugar dissolved in water gives a homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if its composition is not uniform throughout. Yeah, more than one phase. Oil and water are examples of heterogeneous mixture because they have two phases. Thank you for watching. Hmm.